Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com, located in the quiet neighborhood of Seville Heights in St. Anne and moments away from the Priory coastline with its beaches and varied eating options. This villa provides a perfect opportunity for the shrewd investor interested in long or short-term rentals and small functions. This villa sits on 0.25 acres of land. The main floor has a living room, kitchen, dining room, powder room, and three large air-conditioned bedrooms, each with an ensuite bathroom. Upstairs is a dream main suite with jetted bath and separate shower, a study or nursery, and a deck with expansive views of the pool deck and the Caribbean Sea complete the floor. The pool deck has sweeping views and enough space to cater for small functions. The bar and the veranda facing the pool makes it easy to serve your guests. On the ground floor is a studio and one bedroom unit, each with their own small patio. To the rear of the pool, you will find the staff quarters with an eating kitchen, two bedrooms with a shared bathroom. This villa is being sold fully furnished. Guys, let's take a look at this villa and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this villa is US 485,000 or Jamaican $74.6 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.